everybody, I wanted to come on here and unbox my new vacuum with you. This is the Shark Navigator Lift Away, and I got it in the lavender, so let's open it up. So this is everything that comes in the box, and what I thought was really cool are the attachment that this style comes with. These two. Okay, step one is just taking this and clicking it in. Then you just slide this little piece over. Next is this piece. So you just go ahead and place that here until you hear that click. Just like that. Make sure it clicks on both sides here. Then you can connect your attachments. So this is everything that came up. I seriously cannot believe how dirty my floors were after just one round through the upstairs of my house. Empty this out here. Put it right up.